Good morning, everybody. Good morning to Australia. And good morning around the world. And to my subscribers and on YouTube channel. I'm sorry, I'm not feeling well. It's my asthma and my throat is playing up. I would like to say thank you again. I'm never stop saying thank you. Every day, every week, every year, if I'm still here in the YouTube channel, my YouTube. Those people is believing me again, like I said before, I say it again. To those people is believing me, thank you so much. Without you guys, I would not here in a YouTube channel. Even though I'm still learning, but I'm trying to be like everybody else, a good blogger. Now, I'm only here for 2 weeks, only 2 weeks, and I got a little bit subscribers. I'm so happy that I don't know how to say, just say thank you, because every person have subscribed me. It's help, and every people will watch on my videos. I know sometimes it's not interesting, my videos, it's boring, but that's who am I cannot do the comedian. I cannot dance much. I can't dance, so it's only the best I can do to the places that I go. Sometime, well, not sometimes, it's most of the time, and also where I work, my business, my work, and that's I take some video there. So yeah, and I'll still want to say thank you everybody around the world, and also to those all overseas, the OFW people and from the Philippines. Thank you so much. And also, of course, Philippines, thank you so much to those people that never give up on me. Even those I was doing some reels, they still supporting me on my YouTube now. I'm still coming back on reels, maybe, but right now I would like to concentrate on my YouTube. So thank you so much, guys, for supporting me and following me wherever I go, my journey. Thank you so much, and I love you all.